William Joseph Castling, 1838 to 7 June 1906, was a member of the Queensland Legislative Assembly. Castling was born in North Allerton, Yorkshire, the son of Robert Castling and his wife Jane, née Haw, and was educated in Ipswich. He arrived at Dalrymple, Queensland in 1863 and worked the goldfields in the area before purchasing a half share in a Townsville wholesale butchery in 1876, which by 1880 employed 40 people. On November 11, 1872 he married Mary Townsend in Townsville and together had 5 sons and 4 daughters. Castling drowned in Ross Creek in Townsville in June 1906 and was buried in the West End Cemetery. Castling won the junior position in the 2-member seat of Townsville for the Ministerialists at the 1896 Queensland colonial election. He represented the electorate for 3 years and did not stand at the 1899 Queensland colonial election. References